Lecture 8: Sharing, Presenting, and Collaborating in Gamma. You have created your project, added structure, visuals, and interactive elements. Now comes the part where Gamma really stands out: sharing and presenting your work and collaborating with others in real time. Whether you are submitting a class assignment, pitching to a group, or working with a team, Gamma is built to make the process smooth and professional. Today, we will walk through how to share your project with others, present directly from the platform, and collaborate with classmates or colleagues. This lecture will teach you how to publish your work using Gamma's sharing tools, present it seamlessly without downloads, and invite others to view, comment, and edit your project all in one place. Objectives of this lecture: by the end of this lecture, you will be able to share a Gamma project using a live, updatable link, present directly from Gamma using full screen mode, set access permissions for viewers, commenters, and editors, collaborate in real time with others on a shared project. Sharing your Gamma project. Gamma's default output is a web link, not a downloadable file. That means your content is always up to date, easy to share, and accessible from any device. To share your project, first of all, open your project. For example, you just want to share this one in the new tab. Click the share button in the top right corner like we have in here. And these are all the options. For example, if you want to collaborate, want to share, export, or embed. And this will be the code that could be pasted at any of the slides that you want. As we wanted to share, you just want to click on in here and it is the link. But before that, you can just have to change the setting as view. There are 4 different options. The first one is edit. The person who has this link, that specific link, can view, comment, and edit, but not share it with others. The next we have comment. The person, when you just check this one, can view and comment, but not edit. The next we have view. The person who has this link can view, but not comment or edit. The last one we have is no access. Even the person has link, then they cannot view, comment, or edit. So this is how you can use the options as we have these ones, and you can just, for example, just want them to have all these privileges. When you just click on that, and you have to copy the link and share it anywhere that you want. As this link copy to clipboard, then you can send it through Gmail, using Outlook, or any other platform that you are already connected to. And the next option we have collaborate. When you just click on this in here, so if you have added the members, then you can just change their privileges or you can change the visibility. If you want them to edit but not share it with others, you can use this one. If you want them to just comment and view, then you can use this one, and like that we already used in share as well. So you can just click on done, and here we go. For class assignments, view only or comment is usually safest. For group projects, edit allows real collaboration. Always test your link before sending it. Open it in an incognito window to see what others will see. For example, as we have copied already, and you just want to open and you just want to check it the link, and you can use this new incognito window, and you can just paste the link and press enter. You have been invited to edit. So any other person who has that link, here you can see, edit, and have all the privileges that we have given to this viewer. So this is how sharing works in Gamma. You can close this window and we'll be here. Presenting with Gamma. Presenting with Gamma is simple. There is no need to download slides or convert to PowerPoints. Here's how. You can use this button, present, and Gamma launches your project in full screen mode. When you just click on that, here is a project. You can use keyboard arrow keys to make the next slide. Okay, and here we go. As we are using arrow keys to right and left. For right is for next and the left is for previous one. So this is how you can give a presentation using Gamma. You can click through slide by slide just like a live presentation. Why it works well? No formatting issues when switching devices. Smooth transitions and interactive features stay intact. Updates to your content are reflected in real time, even after sharing. Use Gamma to present in classrooms, Zoom meetings, or even in front of a live audience. Collaborating with others. Working on a team, Gamma makes it easy. You can just exit this, and by just clicking on this share, and you can use collaborate as well, we already have discussed, but you can add emails or people in here to collaborate with others. For example, I just want to add in here as marsh@gmail.com, and here we go. That specific person will be notified when we'll just click on add, and you can have a collaboration as well. Invite teammates directly via email, as we can just use this one. Assign editing rights to specific collaborators. For example, this person can edit or have full access. You can change this one as well. For example, if you want to give the full access to this specific person, then you can click on this one, or if you want them to view, comment, edit, but not share it with others. So if you want to keep the full access to yourself, then edit will be the better options, and you can just check on that and click on done. So it asks us that you have one unsent invitation. Do you want to discard or send it? When you just click on this send invitation, then that specific email will be notified. Use inline comments to give or receive feedback, just like Google Docs. For example, if you are working, for example, you just want to discard that. And if you want to add a comment, you can just use this icon, add comment. And for example, we need to change this heading, for example, and click on post comment. Now comment posted. Then every other person, here you can see we have one comment in here, as we need to change this heading, and every other person who has been collaborating in here with us or has the link will be notified that that specific person, for now it's me, that it has sent a comment to work on a project and make it a little more accurate and easy to read. Each collaborator sees the most up-to-date version automatically. There is no need to pass files back and forth. Everyone works on the same live document. Examples of collaborative use: group projects where each member edits a section, peer reviews or faculty feedback on assignments, team presentations or proposals with multiple contributors.